In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and personalize your video settings in Microsoft Teams, a crucial skill that can enhance the quality of your virtual meetings. Let's get started by first opening up Microsoft Teams on your device. Whether it's through the desktop application or a web browser, getting to the right place is your first step. Once your Teams application is open, you're going to join or start a meeting. This is important because the settings we're going to adjust are specifically tied to video meetings. So now that you're in a meeting, look for the camera icon. This is usually found on the control panel of your meeting window. Next to this camera icon, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on it, and here you're presented with several options. We're interested in one in particular. Look for the option that says More Video Effects and Settings. Go ahead and click on this. This step takes you into a new world of customization where you can apply different backgrounds or even blur your current background. These features are perfect for creating a professional environment or simply to have some fun during a casual meeting. Now let's delve a bit deeper into these settings. You have the choice to either blur your background, which helps in hiding any distractions without entirely replacing the background, or you can select from a library of background pictures. You might choose something that reflects your personality or is relevant to the meeting context. These small tweaks contribute greatly to your presence during virtual interactions, but there's more you can do here. Next, navigate to the Settings tab within this menu. This is your chance to fine-tune your visual quality during meetings. You have the option to adjust the brightness, too much light or not enough. Simply slide the brightness adjustment to find the sweet spot that presents you in the best light. Additionally, there's the option to mirror your video. This might seem trivial, but for those of us who use virtual whiteboards or show notes during a call, mirroring your video can ensure everything appears in the correct orientation for you while not disrupting how others view it. Making these adjustments can significantly enhance both your appearance and the flow of the meeting. Once you are satisfied with how everything looks and feels, you're all set. These adjustments will help you create the most comfortable and suitable video experience for your future meetings. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through the video effects settings in Microsoft Teams. Getting familiar with these options not only helps in crafting better meeting experiences, but also contributes to how you are perceived by your colleagues and clients. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide helps you make the most out of your Microsoft Teams meetings.